In this video, I'll show you how you can use a VPN on Netflix so you can access different countries' versions of Netflix. So let's say, for example, I want to watch the US Office outside of America. I could do that by using a VPN. So right now I'm in Thailand, and to just show you that I can't watch The Office right now, I'm just going to type in The Office here, and we'll see here there is no version of The Office available for us to watch. That's because The Office is only available in the US. So for us to watch The Office US, we would have to go and connect to a VPN. Now connecting to a VPN is very easy, specifically the ExpressVPN, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. This is the VPN that I recommend for Netflix because it works all of the time, it's fast, it doesn't throttle your speed, and I've watched thousands of movies using this VPN and it's never done me wrong. So all you need to do once you've downloaded ExpressVPN, you can go and choose a server here. So in our case, if we want to watch The Office US, we choose here US. Then we can click connect, and it's then going to connect us to a US server. Now once we're connected to a US server, we're going to go back to Netflix home. We're just going to quickly refresh the page. I'm then going to open up the search bar. I'm going to search for The Office again, and you'll see here The Office US should appear. So you can see everything's loaded up here, and here we have The Office US version. So we could go and click on this, and you can see here it's The Office US. I can't actually go and play it because of copyright, but you'll be able to go and watch The Office with no issues. So once again, the VPN is ExpressVPN, and if you go and use my link in the description below, you're going to get 3 extra months completely for free when you go and buy a 12-month plan. This is only for my viewers, so make sure you go and take advantage of this deal and get the #1 trusted VPN for Netflix.